moment
Like,
ago.
see, okay, guys? Come and get it. I'm not going to do anything, okay?
You just keep yelling at each other.
Alan!
Alan!
Better.
Oh shit, yeah, that was
Damn.
Whoa, where'd that dude come from? He's like, oh, this guy's pissed. Get away from my house. This black one just came out to chase them all away.
I want you to fight. Make us fight.
Move.
It's gonna wait because they don't fight over it. So it's get to me. Okay, bro, fine. They fight over
You're so busy talking, you don't get any bread. He's got such an attitude.
Yeah, he was
Hey, look,
like,
this black one keeps coming out of these bushes. I think that he lives in those bushes because he's not very happy with them.
Like, this is my pad.
You guys stay away. Will you stop?